How to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the page isn't available right now error on Instagram typically occurs for a variety of reasons. So here are some steps to fix it. The first one would be to simply check the URL. Ensure that the URL you are trying to access is correct and has not been misused. Also, verify account status. The account that you are trying to view might be deleted by the user or deactivated temporarily. Also, if you are blocked by that account, you won't be able to access their page. Now, if you are on iOS device, head back to your home screen, open up your settings application, tap on General, then tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage, search for Instagram and then tap onto it. Now from here, tap on Upload app and then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is done, you'll have to go ahead and reinstall the application. Now once this step is done, head back to your home screen and simply check for Instagram status. This issue could be on Instagram side due to server downtime or bugs. So for that, open up your browser and then search for Down Detector and simply check for Instagram status. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open up your App Store. In the App Store, go ahead and search for Instagram. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once the Instagram is up to date, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, you can always use a different device or network. Simply switch to a different device or network such as from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. If none of these work, it's likely the page has been permanently removed or inaccessible due to the restrictions set by Instagram. And that ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.